Now, if you want to remove a user from your chat, all you need to do is just click on the user and then click remove. And once you do that, the user that you're chatting with would be removed from the list. And you'll get to see the notification that your friend has been removed. So if you go back to chat, you would see that your friend is no longer on the list. If for some reason you want to block a user, all you need to do is just quit on the user and then quick block user. And you'll get a notification that a user has been blocked. So if we go to chat again, and if we go back, that user will show up under the blocked user section. Those are the things that you can do with HelloNote's chat feature. See you on the next tutorial.